People often lie to themselves when they thought that global warming isn't a big deal, but in reality, it poses a serious harm to human health and the environment, an impact that people can hardly visualize. To explain this, I want to refer to the movie called The Lorax. For those who watched it, we saw that the Lorax confronts the Onceler, who has been cutting down traveler trees to manufacture his needs. The Onceler clear-cut the land the Lorax and his friends lived in. Normally, trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere into the stroma located in their chloroplasts to later produce glucose during photosynthesis. But with the absence of trees, photosynthesis will not occur. Carbon dioxide cannot be reduced, and a lot of carbon stored in the trees would be released into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. Imagine this phenomenon as blowing a dandelion, in which the seeds would disperse into the air like carbon dioxide did. Now let's look at what happens to the greenhouse gases at the atmospheric level. As the sun's heat energy reaches the earth in the form of light rays, some of it is absorbed, but most of it is either emitted or reflected back into the atmosphere towards space. However, atmospheric carbon dioxide and other natural occurring greenhouse gases, such as methane and water vapor, are concentrated in the troposphere. They trap most of the heat. The gas particles collide with each other while transferring their energy to surrounding molecules or out to space. The process of heat energy being absorbed by the Earth's surface and re-emitted by gas particles happen over and over again. This keeps the Earth at a stable temperature. But as these greenhouse gases accumulate, less heat escapes into space compared to normal greenhouse effect, and more re-emitted heat reaches the Earth's surface, causing the Earth to warm. Climate change affects human health. This is because higher temperatures lead to an increase in harmful air pollutants, such as tropospheric or ground-level ozone. Ozone is formed by the chemical reactions between volatile organic compounds and nitrogen oxides in the presence of heat and sunlight. Ozone causes the muscles and the airways to constrict, trapping air in the alveoli, causing shortness of breath and aggravating lung diseases such as asthma. Climate change is already happening. You might notice that we become more vulnerable to allergens during the pollen seasons. We can't really control it, but we can find solutions to climate change. And the best solution is to slow it down by reducing carbon dioxide emissions, or fix it based on how we started the problem. An example would be to replant trees and stop clear cutting. Thank you for watching.